All right, I just received this in the mail. 24-hour video surveillance and protection. Solar light, no more darkness at night. Interesting. So we just got to get it open, see what's in here. And of course, there's always something impairing our progress. There it is. Almost got it. There we go. All right. Open sesame. What do you think's in here? This thing looks pretty cool. It's got a bunch of things and anchors and stuff and screws. This must be your thing that you put it on. And they're saying thank you. And there it is. Look. Bam. There's the solar cell there. And I believe this must be the camera. And let's see what it says. On. Off. Huh. But it probably has to charge. So the question is, how does it fit into this? That is very interesting. Oh, look at like this. So here. So we've got to connect it here. And then this, I guess this would go right under your something or other. I have no, maybe we should read the directions if there are any. All right, so it says, what's in the package? Solar security light, on and off switch, solar charger. Well, this is interesting. Does it open up? It shows it like opening up. But I don't think it will. So this has to go like this. And then this slips onto something. What? I do not know. But we could charge it up and see how it works. I'm gonna have to read this. All right, so there's a couple of ways that you can do this. And I think I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm gonna put these in here. And then what I'm gonna do is, all right, so anyway, you could do it like this. You screw this on here and figure a way to put it. So there's a couple of ways they show. They show you putting this thing on like this and then clipping it onto something so the light shines down and this solar panel hits the sun. But I'm gonna probably have to put it on some wood. So I think what I'm gonna do is go like this. I'm gonna take this thing, put it in here. If I can find the hole, like that, screw that in, and then screw it into some wood. So I think I'm gonna use these things. I'm gonna screw them in here, and then I'm gonna put it in wood. I'll show you what I mean. Nope, I just dropped everything. Shoot. All right, I gotta get a screwdriver. I made a video about this screwdriver once. Jeez, this thing is squirrely. It won't stay in my fingers. All right, so anyway, this is gonna go in like that. And then, wow, I'm shedding. All right, so anyway, put it through here like this, right? And then we're gonna get it on here. Of course, this thing's like a trapezoid. It's not square, so it doesn't want to just sit. And then we've got to get our screw on there. And then just put it in there. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I think it's going in. It doesn't want to go in there, does it? Well, I got it started, so I should be able to get it in now. See how squirrely it is? It's supposed to go in this hole right here. Let's try again. I'm going to use the small one. When you're working with small stuff, it's tough. Get it in the hole. Okay. I put some pressure on it with that. And then screw it in. And it's not going in. I mean, Maybe I need a bigger head. Make the switch. See if we get more traction with it. All right, here we go. Bigger head. Man, that is not wanting to go in, is it? I'm really pushing it in there. I don't know about this, man. Look, that's as far as it would go in. Let's see if the other one, how the other one does. All right, so here we are. Let's try the other hole. Maybe we'll have better luck with this one. Here we go. Very slippery. This one's easier. It's going in better. Get this on this side. So when I tighten it down, we'll have the right attitude. All right, so that's that. I mean, I don't know if they really need to be super tight, but let's see if I can get this one tighter. Does not want to go in there any tighter. So I can still put it up like this, check it out. And it should work if I screw it in. I would like to get this tighter though. So let's give it a go. Well, it's dripping. I guess that's it. It's as tight as I'm gonna get. I'm just not gonna get any tighter. See how this one's not. I wonder if I can back it out. Nope, that's not working. All right, we're just gonna do it like that. There's some design flaws in this, folks, unfortunately. And now I can go ahead and screw it on. I was thinking about screwing it on the gate, and that way it would light the gate down. You could see what you were looking at, and we'll try that. So I've got my little solar thing. I'm going to put it right here, right there. So you'll see some light coming down. I want to put it over there, but it's not going to get any light there. So I've got to put it here so we can get some sunlight on it. And I think that'll work. All right, let's try it. All right, so let's go ahead and get some drilling going. I may have to get a screwdriver. I don't know if there we go. Yeah, okay. All right, so we kind of got it on there. Let's see how it works. All right. Just gonna leave it on there, let it charge, and then tonight we'll check it out. So anyway, I got it on there. It's not really square, but I mean, that's better than nothing. And the light's under here, all right? And so the solar panel's up here, so it should get good sun. We should get a nice light down there. Give us a little view of everything. All right, so here is our light. Check it out. It's working pretty good. And it's shining straight down. Back up a little bit. Yeah, I think that's gonna work nice.